This video demonstrates how to install SMS Assembler that is used to compile the RL78 G23 SNOOZE Mode Sequencer program. The SMS Assembler will be installed by default when installing RL78 device family during eSquare Studio installation. Hence, the SMS Assembler does not need to be installed manually. In the case whereby RL78 device family support is installed using Install New Device Family Support in eSquare Studio, or build error occurs when invoking SMS Assembler, please follow the following steps to install the SMS Assembler. Go to Help. Add Renaissance toolchains in eSquare Studio. Select Download. Select the SMS Assembler v1.00.00 and check Run Toolchain Scan after installing toolchains. Click Finish. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Select the default installation folder or click Browse to select a new folder. Click Install to start the installation. The SMS Assembler is installed successfully. Click Finish. Check Renaissance SMS Assembler to integrate it into eSquare Studio. Click Apply and Close. The SMS Assembler is installed and integrated successfully. Build error related to invoking the SMS Assembler is solved. For more information, visit the eSquare Studio FAQ page.